Today we're showing you how to make perfectly round tubes in Nomad Sculpt. Tubes can be used for a lot of things such as horns, tree branches, articulating limbs, but before we do that, make sure you like and follow. So first we're going to go into Nomad Sculpt, then we're just going to delete this spear so we can make our tube. Now you see here tube is highlighted. We're going to click on path over here and we're going to just start drawing the tube we want to use. Now once we're happy with the shape of this tube for whatever we're making, a limb or a tree or any shape, we're just going to click on this green dot. Now we can see this tube is really thick. Up here we can see the radius is only set to 1 radius. So this will change the radius of the entire tube. But let's say we wanted this part thinner and this part thicker. What we do is we would just click this and it would give us both the radiuses. And we could actually shrink down that radius. Now, as we can see, this tube is very flat and cut off. How do we make it rounded, right? So we're just going to click on here and we're going to touch 2 settings. First, we're going to change the division X to 4. And then we're going to change the post subdivision to 2. And now we can see we have a perfectly rounded tube on both ends. And if we wanted to make this, say, a limb for an articulating figure, we could add a spear right on the end as our joint. I hope you enjoyed this video on making perfectly round tubes in Nomad Sculpt. For more on 3D printing, 3D modeling, and other fun DIY projects, make sure you like and follow Make or Build It, and remember, keep on making.